Hi, this is Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. This week's episode is how to make a custom lock sound so you can choose whatever you want when you walk away from your vehicle to have a lock sound that's custom to what you want, so stay tuned. And welcome back. So my lock sound when I walk away from my vehicle is the fart sound. And my wife is sick and tired of hearing whenever I walk away from the vehicle. So I was tasked with replacing that sound with something else. So this video, I'm going to show you how to either make your own custom sound, okay, or download something really cool that is suitable to your personality. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is actually go to your glove box, open it up, and reach down into just the hardest place, of course not the best place Tesla to put a USB jack, but I want you to pull out your USB stick that came with your Tesla. Should have a nice, upside down, there it is, T logo on it, you can see right there. And you're going to pull that out and hold on to it. Now, you're going to go right to your toy box right here, and on the boombox side of things, you're going to see lock sound, and you can see I have mine set to fart. That's just how I roll. What you're going to do, if you don't like any of these selections here, you're going to choose USB, okay? And I'm going to show you how to put a file onto your USB stick so that it's customized for your sound and you can walk away from your vehicle and have that sound. So here we go. Okay, if you want to record something personal that you have, for instance, an idea, you want to use your voice, a really good free program to use is something called Audacity. Audacity will also let you move files that are MP3 or MP4 to WAV format, which is the format you'll need for your locking chime. So if you have maybe a snippet from a song, you want to take that snippet out, Audacity lets you cut that snippet out, convert it to a WAV file, and allows you to do that. So you can download Audacity. I'm not going to show you how to use Audacity. That's not really the purpose of this video, but it's pretty darn easy to use. Just trim it out, save it as a WAV file, boom, you're done. The easiest way to find files is kind of look what you're, search for what you want and look for that. So one of the things I was interested in was some Beavis and Butthead files. So if you just put in Beavis and Butthead WAV files, okay, this is just one example. I'll show you a few more. You'll see there's a couple websites here. And for instance, we go to this one here, and we've got a couple different ones, and it shows you both formats you can download, and it allows you to simply just download and use it free of charge. So for instance, maybe you want to give me your TP.
TP, you must give me your TP.
Gosh, Beavis, you scared me.
Trick or treat, son of a bitch.
Come on, Beavis, I know it's you.
Maybe you didn't want that one. Maybe you wanted something else.
Damn, we're smooth.
Okay, and then you can go to some of the other sites that Beavis and Butthead audio sounds have. There's several of them right here. You can click on any of them. Or maybe you don't want Beavis and Butthead. Maybe you want something else cooler. So I just put in cool short WAV files, and there's different clips that you can download. And what I would suggest you do is that you download this straight to your USB drive you have plugged into your computer. And I'll show you what we're going to do with that in just a second. But again, if you click on any of these, you'll see there's different ones. Dying light bulb, short circuit, kid laugh, silly farts. We already had that. Cow moo, that's a pretty good one. You can get creative, and there's other ones too from different movies. Again, you can just keep searching and go down through a rabbit hole of different ones. Free sound is another one. It really helps if you know what you're looking for. Now, what I did was I downloaded a couple of them, and I put them in the USB drive, which I'll show you right now, and be able to go ahead and show you how to complete this task. Okay, so I downloaded a handful of different sounds from different websites. I think this is a Beavis and Butthead laugh. I also did another Beavis and Butthead Don't Screw With Us.
Don't screw with him.
Don't screw with him. And then it had another one.
What a dork.
But I decided to go with the tried and true Arnold.
I'll be back.
Alrighty, so all you have to do, by the way, these are all WAV files. If it is not a WAV file, use Audacity and simply convert it to a WAV. Now I'm just going to right click the file, go to rename, and lock Chime. That's it. Now just to verify it is still a WAV file, I can go to the properties of the device. It's a WAV file. Boom, that's it. Now you can delete these other ones or just leave them there in case you want to change them around. All you have to do in the future is put your USB drive back in your computer and rename Lock Chime to Arnold and rename one of these other ones to Lock Chime, and it will change that. So that's all you have to do is name that file that, put into the root of your Tesla drive, and you're good to go. You can still keep if you have a USB drive filled with MP3 music like I do, because I've got that special splitter you need. So you have multiple USB drives in your glove box. You can have your music and you can have your Tesla Sentry Cam right here with all of your files. But that's all you have to do. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back into my Cybertruck, and we're going to have a different locking chime when we walk away. Okay, so we had just renamed the file to lockchimes.wave. And now we're going to go ahead and stick this back into our USB spot. I'm going to have to pause this and do it with two hands because this is not very easy. Okay, I needed two hands because I have that USB adapter that lets me split and have multiple USB drives, because I have a USB stick in there with my MP3 files so I can play my music from the 80s that I enjoy. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go back to the glove box and close it up. Then I'm going to go back to my boombox and make sure it's on USB. Again, you can choose whatever you want, but we're going to go ahead and select USB. Now, because we've renamed that file and it's on that USB stick, we should be all set. So all I have to do, I can just minimize this. I'm going to step away. Okay. So we're going to walk away from the vehicle. You may not hear it because it's just not that loud. The mic may not pick it up, but we're going to wait a few seconds and the sound should appear. There it goes. Hopefully you heard that. If not, sorry I don't have a microphone next to it, but trust me, I heard Arnold say, I'll be back. And that's how you change your default tune, okay, or your chime, I should say. Now, we're dropping videos every single day, so I apologize if I said we'll see you next week, because we're not going to see you next week. We're going to see you tomorrow and the next day and the next day, because we're dropping them every single day. So stay tuned. Remember, always hit like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.